Want bigger arms at home without the need to go to the gym? Then this video is for you. In this video, I'll show you how to get bigger arms at home without the need to go to a gym.
I have a quick tip for you and very important tip. Install a pull-up bar like this at your home. You can also order it from Amazon. I installed it back in 2019 and literally 100% of my fitness problems have vanished since then. Just like yours will vanish as well. So here's the exercise that will help you grow bigger arms at home without going to the gym. Do these very slow, and I mean very slow chin up exercises, just 5 repetitions. One set of 5 repetitions every single day to grow bigger arms like this. All it takes is 30-40 seconds on this pull up bar, and in no time you will definitely grow bigger arms.